Now the birdies are gonna dry outside. Hey, Zeus. Hey. Diego's up here just running back and forth. Aren't you? What do you want, Zeus? You're too close. You're too close. It won't focus on you. Come here. Come here, Zeus. Come here. What? Nope. Back to my pigeon. Look at my Pidgey. Look at Pidgey's ear holes. You see the ear holes? Hey, Pidge. Pidgey wants love and now she wants to be scratched. Yeah, she's gonna hold on and let mommy scratch her. Yeah, this is a good girl. Mm-hmm. You want mommy to scratch you? You want mommy to scratch you? Yeah. Oh, look under those wings. You look like a chicken. Zeus, will you move? And their guardian. Laying down here eating a... What are you eating? A pig foot? Is that a pig foot? Let me see. Let me see it. Here you go, boy. Go.